Hello friends, I wonder which fruits we have today. Let's discover them together. Look, we are going to draw fruits and a cute umbrella. Let's get our paper and markers ready. We will draw the umbrella and the fruits just like the picture above. Then we will color everything with bright, happy colors. All right, friends, get your paper and markers ready. We are going to have a wonderful time. Here is our box of colorful markers. The colors look so bright and beautiful. Let's open the box and meet our markers. I wonder what pretty colors are inside. Now I am showing the markers close to the camera. The colors look amazing. Don't they look beautiful? Let's play a tiny marker game. We will stand them up and then gently let them fall. Playing with markers makes me so happy. Now let's roll our markers a little and see how they move. Here we go. Yes, friends, our markers roll so nicely. I really like the way they move. Wait a minute. Now we will use this marker to draw the umbrella and the fruits right here. If you are ready, let's get started. We are going to draw the umbrella and the fruits together. Let's begin. First, we draw the bottom part in a soft oval shape and add a handle. Then we add 2 lines on top. Now we make 6 little rounded tips, spacing them out as evenly as we can. Next, we connect those tips with little half circles. Then we add a half circle on the right, a half circle on the left, and on top we draw 2 small circles and 1 oval. Now we divide the umbrella into neat little sections. Great! Now let's draw our fruits inside these sections. Our first fruit is a strawberry. After drawing the strawberry leaves, we make its body and add the tiny seeds. For the second fruit, we draw the orange stem and then make a nice round orange. Our third fruit is a banana. First we draw the stem, and then we draw the banana shapes. Our fourth fruit is grapes. We draw the leaf and the stem first, then make lots of round little grapes. Our fifth fruit is a cherry. We make 2 cherries together, just like this. And at the end, we draw a slice of watermelon and add the little seeds. Our drawing is finished. Now we trace the lines nice and bold so the colors stay inside. Now let's choose 1 marker from our box and take a look. I wonder which one we will use. Yes, we can take this one. Wow, this marker looks wonderful! Coloring with these markers is going to be so much fun! Let's count our fruits one more time. What do you think? Strawberry, orange, banana, grapes, cherry, and watermelon. Now let's start coloring. Grown-ups, please subscribe and turn on notifications so we can keep making safe, colorful art videos. Thank you so much. First, let's start with our strawberry. I colored my strawberry red. Yes, red looks really sweet on a strawberry. Now let's color the leaf and the stem. That turned out great! Blue looks different here. Leaves are usually green, but I can color with any color I like. Do you know the color of this orange? Yes, it is orange. Bravo! Now let's color the banana with a beautiful color. Say the name of this color. Yes, you got it. The banana is yellow. Great, we colored the stems too. Now it is time for the grapes. Let's color the grapes purple. Oops, I was supposed to let you say the color. Yes, it looks very nice. Grapes are often purple. Now it is time for the cherries. Bravo! We colored the cherries red. You know the colors, and you know all the fruits too. Now we colored the cherry stem green. A watermelon is usually red, but what color is this one? Yes, we colored this watermelon pink. I think it looks very pretty. Now we can color the stems and leaves green. They look wonderful. Now our fruits are safe under this umbrella and their colors will stay bright and happy. Next, it is time to color the umbrella sections. We will make them look like a rainbow. Can you tell me what color this is? Did you find it? Say it one more time. Yes, well done. It was yellow. Now let's color the second section. The name of this color is blue. Our umbrella and fruits are looking so beautiful. The third section is this color. You tell me quickly. Yes, it is red. Great job. We are learning all the colors. Now what should we do? Yes, we colored half of it. Now, we need to color the other half with different colors. Let's make these three sections extra special. I have an idea. We can color with this one. What was the name of this color? Yes, this color is pink. Pink is beautiful, and all colors are beautiful. Let's use this color one more time. It is the same color we used at the beginning. Yes, it is yellow. And finally, we can color our last section with another beautiful color. I am waiting for you to say the color. Can you say it a little louder? I couldn't hear you. Bravo! This one was purple. Now friends, it is time to color the rounded parts. We can make them all different colors too. There are 6 tiny little shapes here, and there are bottom parts too. Let's begin. Walking in the rain with this umbrella would be wonderful. Now, let's finish the rest of the umbrella's rounded parts and metal pieces. Yes, they turned out very nice. Now I have an idea. Let's take the blue marker and color this metal piece. Bravo, that looks really nice. Now let's color one of these inside parts to the right and one to the left. Yes, bravo, that is a wonderful idea. Our umbrella looks very pretty. Now we can say the names of our fruits. Strawberry, orange, banana, grapes, cherry, and what was the last one? Watermelon. But we forgot one little spot at the bottom, so let's color that too. Our umbrella is complete. It looks lovely. Yes, bravo. What should we do now? We can add pretty little dots. Let's make a dotted pattern. Yes, the dots look so cute. This pattern looks beautiful too. We can make a different pattern in each section. Our umbrella looks amazing, and our fruits look like one happy picture. Yes, it turned out super. Grown-ups, please subscribe and turn on notifications. If kids need help, please ask a parent or grown-up. Goodbye.